New to Google Dashboards? No worries. Creating a data dashboard inside Google Analytics can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. You're savvy enough to know that you must have a Google Analytics account set up. After all, you gotta have a way to track what's happening with your various online properties like your website, social media, and so on. That's all well and good, but have you ventured into the world of data dashboards from within that Google Analytics account? There is a lot of data available there. A dashboard gives you a way to quickly scan information about many things in one place. This overview allows you to see at a glance details about your key performance indicators and any other information you deem relevant to track. Every driver depends on their vehicle dashboard for important information. How fast are you going? Are you straining the engine? Did you blow a tire? Just like the dashboard of your car gives you a view of what's happening with many of the vehicle systems, a Google dashboard can do the same thing for your website and other online properties. How much traffic are you getting? Where is it coming from? Are they buying or opting in, or just leaving without exploring further? While it is possible to create your own dashboards, if you're new to all this, allow us to suggest a quicker and easier solution. Explore the Google Analytics Solutions Gallery and simply use a template that someone else has set up. Inside this gallery, you'll find a plethora of pre-built dashboards. At least some of these will undoubtedly meet your needs, especially if you're new to Google Dashboards. There's even one called New Google Analytics User Starter Bundle you may want to review. Downloading is a simple 1, 2, 3 process. First, go to the gallery and select a dashboard. Then click on the Import button in the upper left-hand part of the page. Finally, select the appropriate account view and click Create. That's all there is to it. Quick, easy, painless. That's a prescription we can all live with. Better insight into your website's performance is just a few clicks away. So take a little time to explore the Google Analytics Solutions Gallery and get to downloading.